In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down right away. Now you need to access security section. In it, scroll down again, click on screen lock, and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then you need to create it, and if you made a mistake, redo it by choosing clear at the bottom left corner and entering it the correct way. Now click on next at the bottom right one. Repeat it in order to confirm it. Choose confirm and tap on the best option for your notifications on locked screen. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last options, have to click on it and select done. Now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!